You be good.
I love you, little cat.
You behave, you little stinker butt.
We have a pet sitter coming by to take care of Rita and Bella 4 times a day. It's gonna be sad leaving them, but they can't come in the... Oh, I almost said where we were going.
Hey there, we're Denise and Reed, and in this video, we're packing up and leaving the van behind.
So many bags.
To do something that we have never done before. But we have a long travel day ahead of us before we get to our final destination. So we better get going.
1 bag. 2 bags. It's almost time. We're officially powered down. The van is cleaned and organized thanks to Denise. We got our
somewhat
food,
clean.
all our food and our stuff is out of the van. It's gonna be a while before we come back.
It is a travel day, and we are going somewhere really exciting. I am not going to tell you where that is yet, but we are really looking forward to it. We are about to catch a flight, obviously. Going up.
Ready to get to the gate and take this 60-pound bag off. Jeez Louise. My shoulders.
We have made it to our gate. We're about to board. I am super excited. There have been a few snafus. Half of our family is going to be on a later flight. Their flight keeps getting pushed back. Thank goodness ours only got pushed back by a little bit. We're about to get on now. Reed and I are actually going to be sitting separately. We both have middle seats on different aisles. But that's okay.
The worst seating arrangement possible. But it's all
the worst arrangement, but this trip is gonna be worth it. Can you put this up for me, Reed? I'm in the middle.
That episode of Wednesday without you. I'm sorry. We're officially in Orlando.
It has been one heck of a travel day. We have finally made it to our destination, but Reed's brother wasn't so lucky.
Yeah, my brother missed his flight. We hope that he makes it here because we have an early departure tomorrow.
Yeah, we are supposed to be somewhere really special in the morning. We are gonna fill you in tomorrow on where that might be. But for now, we're just happy to be here. We've traded our van for this van, for the time being at least.
We actually know someone who wanted to convert one of these vans, one of these passenger vans with all the windows. Will be like 6 windows, the high roof, and then like the ventilation around the top. But I wonder how that turned out.
Our family celebrates.
Yeah.
I get my red shoes on.
Well, thank you so much, guys. Have a lot of fun. Have a lot of good.
One for you.
I'm feeling delirious. We are definitely exhausted after all the travel today, and it's been super chaotic. Reed's brother and sister-in-law did not make it to Florida.
Yeah.
Their kids, Mackenzie and Jackson,
I've been stuck in the
Are
airport
stuck.
all day, and it's an 8-hour drive down here, so they're thinking about driving. Fingers crossed, they're gonna figure out a way to get here. They're gonna be exhausted.
they have to.
They're gonna be dead tired. If they drive now, they want to get here till like 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning, but we don't depart here until about 2 tomorrow, so they're gonna make it happen.
They're gonna make it happen. They're gonna get here no matter what.
They're gonna be exhausted, but they're gonna make it happen. So.
Good morning. After a long, close to sleepless night, we've finally gotten up and gotten a little bit of breakfast because today is a big day. Reed's brother and sister-in-law just pulled into the parking lot of the hotel we are at. For two people who live in a small space and have very few things, we sure pack a lot. Let me see if I can zip this baby. Okay. We are en route on the shuttle right now that's going to take us to our exciting destination. This is something that I didn't know that I'd ever do, and I'm really excited that we're getting to do it with family. Very special.
Denise.
Yes.
Right on board.
Please welcome aboard the Rambo family.
We just watched a fantastic show to commemorate our first day on the Disney Wish.
Come on, let's go see what this breakfast buffet is all about.